Got an AC not cooling. Seems like compressor maybe is not running. And motor's running. Pull the lid off here. See what's going on. Maybe just burned wire. Take a look here. Well, wiring's all up there. Could be in the compressor. Compressor's not too hot. I bet you it's right inside under the compressor cap. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the disconnect. This one here. And discharge the capacitor, holding only the insulated portion of the screwdriver. Now we'll pop inside here and remove this little clip here. There we go. Oh yeah, there it is. Looks like it kind of melted against that side. Okay. Kind of hold this side. Oh boy. It's not very good. There we go. Wire lead. Oh, it's completely broke off. There we go. Okay. Go find either a new wire or a new wire lead. Get this puppy going. Okay, I didn't have any other wires, but what I have is a little bit better. Now we're connected on the far side at the contactor, so that's okay. But right here, we've lost our connection, and what I have is these shrink wrap compressor leads. So I'll just add one of these instead for the common wire. It's pretty simple here. This just pushes on right here. It's a lot stronger too. Anyway, just push that on there. There we go. And on this side, we'll just trim off our piece, and it gets fed through here. So we'll start with a nice fresh edge here. There we go. Okay. And we'll insert this in here and then crimp it down. Twist these really good. Make sure we've got a good lead here. And insert. into our deal there. Crimp that down. So it grabs it real good. And then we can shrink wrap this right here. And if it discolors it a little bit, that's okay. As long as it does its job. Okay, now we can put our cover back on. We're ready to test out the system. Okay, go plug the disconnect back in. And kind of insert this wire inside. Position it to where it's not going to be I don't want it to touch the high side. This line sometimes gets hot down right here, so I'm going to kind of avoid that. Okay, so plug the disconnect in. Problem is the fan motor did not kick on, which may be why it went down in the first place. We're going to try to kick start the fan motor. That fired right up, but we're going to need to change out the fan capacitor to start that, well, capacitor that starts the fan, and I'll secure that better too. I'll put it on a cable tie up here to get that going. But at least it's going to start cooling the place down, and line's feeling nice and chilly. Alright, so I'll go grab a new fan capacitor to get that going. Okay, got my new capacitor there. I'm going to go ahead and pull the disconnect. And anytime you re-energize the system, you'll need to discharge the capacitor again. So get my screwdriver set up, holding only the insulated portion of the screwdriver. Use the metal portion and bridge the leads of the capacitor, and that'll discharge the charge held in there. And we'll do the same for this little one. Okay, just to be safe there. Where my electrical tape starts here. Okay, there we go. Now we'll slip off the leads. And we got our new capacitor. Here's the new one. Make sure everything's nice and snug there, and it is. And what we'll do is we'll put this right up here. Got a cable tie strap. We're running that through right there. And then just pull it around. Like so. put our capacitor right in the pocket. And just leave it loose enough so we can pull it out and replace it in the future if we needed to. Just trim off the end there. Well, we're good there. Okay. Nicely secured capacitor, and this is a military grade cable tie, so it's going to hold up under the sun a little bit better. Now I can go plug my disconnect in and make sure everything starts up on its own properly for the fan and the compressor. Just like it should. We're back in business. Getting nice and chilly. Cool things off on this blazing hot day. Goodness gracious. Alright. We're good to go. Flashing nice and cold. Nice and chilly. A little shrink wrap tubing. And our new capacitor nicely secured. Good to go. A little bit of rattling you're hearing was from this screw right here. Just tighten it up a little bit. No rattling. On the fan baffle there. We're all set there.